What's up, Oklahoma TV fan base? It's Fifi here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the benefits and how to do the switch curl. So guys, the switch curl, I'll show you what exactly the movement is. So you start with a strict curl, arms extended, strict up, switch to your neutral grip at the top, drop it back down, lock those triceps out for full range of motion, bring it back up, switch at the top again, back to your normal curl, drop it, up, switch, down, extend the tricep, hammer, bang, bang. If you don't know what the hammer curl is, it works the brachialis. Like I said, is under the bicep, so it's just a neutral grip. What you would normally do is you drop it, your grip, so it's resting on the top of the dumbbell, so it's easier to hold and to curl up. But for this exercise, since you're switching, you're just gonna keep it centered and don't really squeeze it tight. Just let it loose in your hand and use your bicep to curl it up instead of holding it and using your forearm and flexing your forearm like that. Make sure you keep your wrist extended and just curl it up. Keep your core tight, keep your legs, don't move them, keep them tight, and strict curl the whole way through. Okay guys, so why should you do this curl? First reason is at the top of the motion, when you rotate your forearm or wrist, this actually contracts the bicep harder. So what you want to do is at the top, you really want to squeeze your bicep and twist out of it. You don't just want to twist, you just want to really twist out of it, contract it, let it drop, come back up to the top, and switch. See, when you rotate your forearm, see how the bicep moves? Because part of the bicep is rotation of the forearm. That's one of its functions. So at the top, when you're doing that, you're going to get a greater contraction, more blood flow, and stuff like that. And also, when you're switching at the top and doing more movement, it's going to engage your core more, so you have to be more stable in your core. Guys, everything in the workout world works out your core and you don't even know it. Even squatting, if you're squatting, you have to keep your core tight. Even if you're benching, you have to keep your core stable so you don't, bend this way. And rows, keep your core stable. Everything you have to keep your core stable. So this will work your core a little bit more than just a regular curl. So one last thing to say about this exercise is, you can do 2 sets. You can do your regular curls and you can do your hammer curls. But guys, it's just more efficient to just combine it into one set. Even if you have to do 10-10, let's say you're doing your hammer curls and your regular curls, you have to do 10 and then 10. You could just do 20 of these and it's in one set and it uses less energy, so you can just do 3 sets instead of 6 sets, which uses less energy. So that's basically the 3 main reasons why you should do the switch curl. Add it in your regimen, you will not regret it, and maybe it'll even trigger some bicep gains, and that's it.